Hello, in this video we will see how to use two-part verbs. You can say turn down the TV or turn the TV down. But if you use the pronoun it instead of the TV, you can only say turn it down. You can't say turn down it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Your support is very important to maintain the channel. You can say, put away your clothes, or put your clothes away. If you use the pronoun them instead of your clothes, you can only say put them away. You can't say put away them. More examples. Turn the TV on. Turn the TV off. And hang up your towel. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.